Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 16, metals and non-metals. In last worksheet, we had learned about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. In this worksheet, we will discuss or we will learn about chemical properties of metal. What are the chemical properties of metal? First property is reaction with oxygen. What happens when metals reacts with oxygen? When metals reacts with oxygen, it produce metal oxides. क्या बनाती हैं? Metal oxides बनाती हैं. In previous class, we had learned that burning of magnesium ribbon in air forms magnesium oxide. जब हमने मैग्नीशियम रिबन को बर्न किया था इन एयर, it is converted into magnesium oxide which is in the form of white ash. White ash के फॉर्म में हमें क्या मिल गया था? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. When an iron object is kept open in the air, it reacts with oxygen and moisture of air and makes iron oxide. आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अगर हम हवा में खुला छोड़ देते हैं तो क्या होता है? इट रिएक्ट्स विथ ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन द एयर एंड मॉइस्चर ऑफ एयर एंड मेक्स आयरन ऑक्साइड which is known as rusting of iron. This process is known as rusting of iron which makes it useless. जो रस्ट है वो आयरन को यूजलेस कर देता है, वो यूज़ करने योग्य नहीं रह जाता. यहाँ पर आपको you have to give in the word equation of this process. When iron and oxygen and water, these three react together, they converted into iron oxide. Formula is Fe2O3. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, it produces magnesium oxide. Formula is MgO. What is the formula of magnesium? Mg. Formula of oxygen is O2 and magnesium oxide is MgO. When a copper vessel is exposed to moist air for a long time, it acquires dull green coating. यदि हम मेटल वेसल्स को या यूटेंसिल्स को लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए मॉइस्ट एयर में खुला छोड़ देते हैं तो क्या आ जाता है इसके ऊपर? एक थिन और डल ग्रीन कोटिंग इसके ऊपर अपने आप आ जाती है. द ग्रीन मटेरियल is a mixture of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. जो ग्रीन कलर का सब्सटेंस आपको दिखाई देता है वो क्या है बच्चों? वो दो केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस का मिक्सचर है एंड दीज केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड कॉपर कार्बोनेट. Here the reaction, chemical reaction is given to you. When copper reacts with water, H2O, CO2 carbon dioxide and O2 is oxygen. When these are react together, they form copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. The mixture of this is called thin green layer on the copper. With the help of an activity, let's find out whether the nature of oxide of metal is acidic or basic. अब हम क्या पता करेंगे कि जो मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड्स होते हैं वो नेचर में बेसिक होते हैं और एसिडिक. वी नीड रस्ट ऑफ आयरन, टर्मरिक पेपर इंडिकेटर, लिटमस पेपर, रेड एंड ब्लू एंड टेस्ट ट्यूब. तो इस एक्टिविटी को कंडक्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? हमें रस्ट ऑफ आयरन या ऐश ऑफ मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड भी ली जा सकती है. Collect the rust of iron in a test tube and try to dissolve it in the water. Rust does not dissolve in water, so We will take magnesium oxide, which we obtained by the burning of magnesium ribbon. Shake the mixture for a while and test it separately with blue litmus and red litmus paper and turmeric paper indicator. We have to dissolve the ash of magnesium oxide in the water. Then we have to test with the help of litmus paper and turmeric paper indicator. We found that rust turns the red litmus paper into blue. क्या होता है, जो सॉल्यूशन आपने मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड या रस्ट का बनाया है, ये क्या करता है, रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में टर्न कर देता है. इट मीन्स वी कैन से that metallic oxides are basic in nature. Metallic oxide कैसे होते हैं बच्चों? Basic in nature. Second property is reaction with water. How metal reacts with water. When metal reacts with water, they form metal oxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. कौन सी गैस निकल जाती है बच्चों? हाइड्रोजन गैस. Sodium metal is highly reactive. It reacts very rapidly with oxygen and water, which produces a lot of heat. So sodium is stored in kerosene. Sodium is a metal. Why it is kept under the kerosene? Because sodium metal is very reactive metal. It readily reacts with or rapidly reacts with oxygen and water and produces a lot of heat. That is why sodium metal is stored in kerosene. Some metals like iron react slowly with water. Iron जो है, it reacts slowly with water, धीरे धीरे react करता है water से. Gold यानी सोना, gold does not react with water. Gold जो metal है, it does not react with water. We can say that all metal react with water at different rate. अलग अलग metals अलग अलग rate से water से reacts करती हैं. Now check yourself. Why sodium metal is kept stored in kerosene oil. सोडियम मेटल को हम केरोसिन ऑयल के अंदर स्टोर क्यों करते हैं? क्यों करते हैं बच्चों? सोडियम मेटल इज़ वेरी हाईली रिएक्टिव. It reacts very rapidly with oxygen and water, and this reaction produces lot of heat. That is why we store sodium metal under kerosene. Question number 2. What is formed when magnesium is burnt in air? What is formed when magnesium burnt in air or burnt in oxygen? It produces magnesium oxide in the form of white ash. Question number 3. Why are iron doors and windows get painted? Iron doors, लोहे के बने doors और windows को हम paint क्यों करते हैं? Because in the moisture, iron reacts with oxygen and moisture of air and produce iron oxide. This process is called rusting of iron, which make the iron useless. That is why we paint the iron gate, iron doors and windows. Question number 4. What is the nature of metal oxide? So nature of metal oxides is basic. Metal of Thanks for watching.